board management and Chrome penning for Esusen Kebeya, Maureen Senior High Technical School, no. One more the senior to just senka. Kane, Mampania Bedi, a chair when and baby, a crow, ura, emisat, and Kayam Fanny Dini, and to
board management and a fee community leaders are one more Maureen Senior High Technical School, any Eddie at the stray to Abayi, any say, one more Shana, Kane, Ghana Mampania Bedi, Chonian and baby crow, emisa Arthur, one more farm. We Senior High Technical School yi entono na emfa enhye animunya
yem papa emisata wenye ni baby kono yenyina ye ni momo a odi abo mangana wasumo man no di free ni mo fabre mu baby oye djuma ko bi Bank of Ghana di be vice president na ihe papaye djuma oye ma o man na esese yetumi ye bibi di hye na onyam eye nkai dum edema no papa no fikrom ha ana na chi wo ha entinka ye school yi to no a anka be ye nyina ye bije
eho enach penyimpa wono eneda Kings group of companies ano echo enkroma bentum enso edetu just say
hana mefia hana wo na bebia na beunde afufufu bi ye bibi ma hono kronkro ye yiso sende to say chu ko wa ha na tafe nti amina mu company so ye ze to ye no ho de ye beboa oman mo wi na mboa ye ze beboa no only the ye beboa school ma school na tumpon
ne krakra no ye ne kane Ghana mampenya be de twi eho kani Matilda emisa enso atwetwe kuma wode adesire to monfa wono mo efri mori a wono mo ewo omanyi mu enafe amanhodo so enemo say wono mo two nani emna mehwe won biaye no na enwa hodo wonfa endom won.
How many schools get somebody to put up this edifice for them? So you are blessed. Count yourself as blessed because of this facility that you have. And count yourself as blessed because you are not now a day school by a boarding school. And it opens a lot of avenues for you. Students,